Can you give Juby cracker? Oh, good sissy. Is that your Bubba's? You're a good sissy. Oh, he wanted you to give him that, didn't he? You give him some. Oh, hold on. He's trying to get in the chair. What's up? What's up? Poopers. Are you having snack? Can you say hi, Great Granny? Claire. Hi. Oh, you have your mouth full. Hi, Great Granny. Hey, Claire, can you give Juby a teddy bear? Oh, maybe he has a mouthful. Hi, Drew. What is it? Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. Maddie, is that Frank? Yeah, hi, Frank. Yeah. Oh, good boy. What are you doing? Are you having snack? Yeah. Oh, you're going to have some milk? Yeah. Here, Drew. You want to sit down? Come here. Here, buddy. There you go. There you go. Now you're sitting down. Hi, Drew Bug. Hi, Angel Boy. Hi. You waving? Hi. Hi, Drew. Hi, Drew. You big boy. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, you being silly. Oh, hi. 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 Oh, Claire. Hi, Claire. Claire, can you blow me a kiss? Claire. Claire Bears. Mwah. 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 Good girl. Oh, mwah. Claire. You want more of these? More? Which ones? Oh, you need more goldfish? Here. There you go. There's some fishies. There's some fishies. Uh-huh. I know it. Love you, love you. Claire, did you see the moon outside today? Yeah, the moon's in this. Where's the moon? There's the moon in the sky. Good girl. Where's the airplane? Is the airplane in the sky? Is the airplane in the sky? Where you going, Drew Buggy? You're thirsty for some milk. Is that good milk? Good boy, getting up in that chair by yourself. Good job. Yeah, is that Matt? He's having his milk. Claire, can you drink your milk? Good. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Good girl.